So when we're using the Pythagorean theorem, we can only use it with one type of triangle. And what kind is that?
Equilateral.
A right triangle. This whole chapter has to do with right triangles. We're going to find SOHCAHTOA. We're going to use what we used yesterday with the altitude and the leg. They were all right triangles. Well, in this picture, how many triangles do you see?
2.
I see more than 2.
3.
3. The whole thing, the left side and the right side, right? How many right triangles do you see?
2.
2. The 2 little ones in the left and the right. Does everybody understand that? So I don't have this side right here, but because this is an isosceles triangle, what do I know about that 8?
It's half and half.
It's half and half. So this is a 4 and a 4. Okay? And now I'm ready to set up my equation. Does everybody understand that?
Yeah.
So now I have which side of this right side triangle, which side is the hypotenuse?
A 9.
The 9. So I have x squared plus 4 squared equals 9 squared. So that's x squared equals 81, which is 9 squared, minus 16. What's 81 minus 16? 65. So the square root of both sides is x equals 8.06. So there you have your x. What do you need in order to use the Pythagorean theorem? What do they have to give you?
At least 2.
2 what?
2 sides.
2 sides. You need 2 sides in order to use the Pythagorean theorem.
If they give you a specific 2 sides, is it easier than if they give you
No, but the hypotenuse has to be the one you leave alone. So you put things where they go. If you don't know the hypotenuse, that becomes the x squared. If you know the hypotenuse, then one of the other sides, it becomes the x squared, one of the legs, okay? Depends what they're asking you to find. Does everybody understand that?
Yes.
On these, you're going to determine if this can even be a right triangle, okay? You're going to determine it. What you're going to do is you're going to see if those are the sides of the triangle. It is only a right triangle if the smallest guy squared plus the next guy squared equals the biggest guy squared. Does everybody understand that? A squared plus b squared equals c squared. The hypotenuse has to be the biggest guy. So 2 root 2 squared is 8.
So 64.
Plus 2 root 7 squared is 7 times 4, 28.
Wait, I have a question.
And 6 squared is 36. And that says 36 equals 36, so it's a yes. If you get 36 equals 38, it's a no, okay?